video in my pretty much completely useless but still kind of cool video series. My name is David and I am here in Izumiotsu, just outside of Osaka, Japan. Today's video will be the walk from my home to the train station so that you can get an idea of public transit here in Japan. Alright, here we go. So out here we have the bus terminal, taxis. This is where I normally work, and supermarket here. We have one of the Japanese banks here. This is Rizona. This is the train terminal that we're heading to right now. As you can see, maybe, it's 27 degrees Celsius out today, so a pretty nice day. Strangely enough, nobody's making any comments about me recording, which is a plus. Hello. Thank you very much. It's very common at the train stations for people to hand out packs of tissues that are advertising their various different companies. Here is the train timetable, and I'm going to Sakai. There's the timetable for the trains. Thank you. Right. Here is my train ticket. Let's see here. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to get the train, because there's only 3 minutes left on this video, and I don't really think anybody wants to see 3 minutes of nothing. So maybe we'll be lucky. Probably not, though. Well, let's see what we've got here. So this is the local train. It's much slower than the regular train. It stops at all of the small cities between the larger cities. As you can see, this is going for Namba, local stops. Here we have the timetable of when the trains are coming. Let's see here. Up and down that way. And that way. And this is my train. So I think we're going to go ahead and cut it off right here and keep an eye out for my next video. Bye bye now.